Elma 365 allows you to automate the business processes of your company in no time. This video shows how an app for business trip approval can be created quickly without any coding. Non-technical users can easily do this using the intuitive drag-and-drop designer and built-in low-code tools. By following this example, you can effortlessly automate any business process of your company. First, we need to create an application. The trip details will be created and stored in this app. You can configure the business trip form by adding the necessary fields using drag and drop. Specify what information users have to enter, configure the properties, and indicate the required fields. No need for coding. Everything is done in a visual intuitive designer. After that, the users can fill out the forms right away, and all the information about the business trips will be stored in the app. Next, the system suggests to add a business process. You can set deadlines and assign responsible users for each step of the process. This can help you to keep track of the progress and speed up the work. Elma 365 uses standard notation BPMS 2.0 for business process modeling. Determine process participants by creating swim lanes and represent their actions as a sequence of process activities. The workflows are created using our easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. It lets you define your steps, connect them with transitions, and helps you to configure how it runs, who has access to it, who to notify about the progress, and so on. This is all done without writing a single line of code. Some activities like tasks are executed by users in the system interface. Other activities like notifications, statuses, document generation are executed automatically by the system. When the flowchart is ready, click Publish. After that, the users will be able to use it. Now the Business Trip app has a process start and approval logic. The app is ready. Before going on a business trip, users fill out the configured form. They enter the reason for a trip, destination and dates, and click Save. The configured process starts and the executors receive the first tasks. The system controls the deadlines and determines the responsible users for each step. At this step, anybody on the portal can open the app and create a business trip request at the click of a button. Configure the interface to fine-tune the system to the needs of your company to make our business trip app even more user-friendly. Your interface looks great on mobile devices right away. Manage the data access for roles and job positions. You can allow access to both specific users and groups of users. Configure the statuses and the Kanban view. That way, you can track the progress of every app item and see the big picture. Create your own reports, graphs, and dashboards to view the statistics and manage the work of your company. You can do that using the interface designer without any coding. Align the built-in widgets using drag and drop, enter the needed categories and values, and the designer automatically builds your dashboard. On the preview, you can see how the report is going to look. Now we can monitor any business process statistics we want in real time without having written a single line of code. Elma 365 doesn't require complicated trainings and programming skills. At the same time, if needed, its capabilities can be easily extended with custom code and reusable components. Introduce scripts and integrations, adjust interfaces, and add complex calculations to your apps. Elma 365 provides professional IDE for developers with code completion, hints, and syntax checker. Elma 365 significantly shortens the distance between an idea and a ready solution. Build enterprise-grade apps faster, automate business processes, set up reports and dashboards, all to transform your business easier. Elma 365. Make changes easier.